Over time, even strong engines lose power. This happens because of wear, dirt, or skipped maintenance. Knowing the causes helps you keep your engine running better. Here are some of the main reasons why engines lose power over time. Carbon buildup forms on engine parts like valves, pistons, and the intake system, blocking airflow and reducing power. Anti-carbon engine cleaner helps remove stubborn carbon deposits from pistons, valves, and the combustion chamber, restoring proper airflow and fuel combustion. By cleaning these critical areas, it improves engine power, fuel efficiency, and throttle response while reducing knocking and harmful emissions. Regular use can extend engine life and keep performance closer to its original condition. When piston rings and cylinder walls wear out, they can no longer seal the combustion chamber properly. This causes a drop in compression, which means the engine cannot burn fuel as efficiently. As a result, the engine loses power and struggles to deliver its original performance. Fuel system problems, such as dirty injectors, clogged fuel filters, or a weak fuel pump, limit the amount of fuel reaching the engine. Without the proper fuel supply, combustion becomes inefficient, leading to poor performance, reduced power, and sometimes even engine stalling. Air intake restrictions occur when components like the air filter or throttle body become clogged with dirt and debris. This limits the amount of oxygen entering the engine, and since oxygen is vital for combustion, the engine cannot burn fuel efficiently. As a result, power decreases and overall performance suffers. Throttle body and air intake cleaner removes carbon deposits from the throttle body and intake system, improving airflow and engine response. It clears deposits from the throttle body and air passages, allowing better airflow. This improves throttle response, smooth idling, and it helps remove carbon buildup, which is a common reason engines lose power over time. Exhaust restrictions happen when the catalytic converter fails or the exhaust system becomes blocked, preventing gases from flowing out freely. Over time, this restriction reduces power, efficiency, and overall performance. The mass airflow sensor is key to engine performance because it measures how much air enters the engine. When it gets dirty, it sends wrong signals to the computer, causing poor performance and power loss. Cleaning the MAF sensor restores accurate readings, improves acceleration, and helps prevent power loss. Mass airflow sensor cleaner helps fix one of the reasons engines lose power over time by safely removing dirt and buildup from the sensor. This restores accurate airflow readings, improves fuel efficiency, smooths acceleration, and reduces hesitation without harming sensitive parts. While power loss is a natural part of aging engines, regular maintenance and timely cleaning can help keep performance strong for years.